the 2010 Ford F-150. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this truck refuses to compromise. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Ford infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop in and take a test drive.